That goes very well together.
That little cider vinaigrette, important. Toss your leaves in just a little, couple tablespoons of it. Today we're making an awesome
Harvest salad.
Hey, welcome back to Cooking with OTK. That's right. So it's a great little fall salad. It's simple. I mean, it's
nice.
fun.
Yeah, it's a nice little vinaigrette with some pecans and cranberries. It's gonna be yummy.
Yes, it is. So let's get to the kitchen and make it.
We're already here.
Hey, we're here. All right, let's get to it.
Let's do it.
First thing, gonna need a bowl.
Wow, wouldn't have thought for a salad,
I know.
but different kind of bowl. It's a mixing bowl. So
That's right.
we're gonna be making a vinaigrette.
Yes, it's kind of a little bit of an apple cider vinaigrette. Should
Yeah.
be really good. Then we're gonna need a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar.
All right, and once again, we're using Bragg, our favorite apple cider vinegar.
Oh, without a doubt, that is my favorite.
So we're gonna go ahead and put a 1/4 cup of vinegar. There we go.
All right, and to that, I need a tablespoon of our favorite spicy brown mustard.
Yes, Golden's.
It's a really good mustard on anything.
It is.
Pretzels, you name it.
We're just gonna estimate that.
Yeah, well,
That's about
that's
a
about a tablespoon. All right, then 2 teaspoons of a good maple syrup.
Ooh. All right.
I love maple syrup.
Yeah. And what's cool, Maple Grove, theirs is non-GMO, so that's pretty cool.
That's always good. That's
Yeah.
a plus in our books.
Yeah, it is, for sure. So 2 teaspoons, it's 2/3 of a tablespoon, so that's probably about
Maybe just a splash more.
a little bit more. Okay.
There you go. Just gonna make it a little sweeter.
Yeah.
All right, and to that's about half a teaspoon of, or a full teaspoon of fresh thyme.
Yeah. Half to a full. I know, it just depends.
I love thyme. So it's about
Can never have enough time.
so gratifying to pull those off.
You put in like 2 tablespoons, you're like, I just really like doing this.
It's just so much fun.
It's really fun. Okay, so
1/4 teaspoon of salt and pepper, and of course we're using our favorite smoked salt. And I'm just gonna throw that in there. And then we need a 1/3 of a cup of a good olive oil. And what did we say that was, about 15?
yes, well, we're doing about 15 teaspoons.
Yeah, because using one of these is kind of a pain, so we like a little bigger one.
Yeah. Okay. Ooh. All right. Man.
All right.
So now we're gonna get that combined
Nice
a little bit.
Stir. And then he will drizzle it in while I whisk. If you're doing this by yourself, just get a wet towel down here and I'll hold the bowl. Remember, you're just trying to make a nice little emulsification.
And the faster you whip it, the more you can add at a time.
You could also do this in a blender if you really wanted to, but you know, if you're out at a campsite, maybe you're kind of a primitive camper and you're old school with a whisk and a bowl.
Yep. We're just showing you that you can do it with a whisk and a bowl.
Not all good. All right. It's ready to go.
Yes, it is. I just want to taste it.
Yes, give it a taste. Make sure we don't need any.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be good.
All right. And this salad is pretty simple.
All right.
We're gonna take just a little onion.
Some red onion.
I'm just gonna do little tiny slices, just to give a little accent. And we have a nice honey crisp apple.
Ooh.
I really like these apples.
Yes.
So we're just gonna make little slices of these guys. You wanna grab that platter?
Yeah.
Now to the platter, we have a spring mix. Sometimes I really like pairing arugula with this salad, but They were out of arugula, so we just kind of went with the spring mix. If you want to, I like to drizzle just a little bit on the lettuce.
That way when you grab it, you put it onto your plate, it kind of mixes it up for you.
You can just kind of give it a little toss if you want to get a glove.
Yeah,
Toss
definitely.
it around. One behind there. Slice up our apples. Nice little thin slices. And of course, you can always save some apples to eat. Now, you can make a lot more of this. We're just kind of showing you basically how to get it done. You just kind of add what you like. And this is a nice little harvest salad. And these are great apples. If you could use a Granny Smith or a Golden Delicious, although those are getting kind of hard to find. Those are my favorite apples. Although some of the red ladies and the Gaias, they're okay. I would stick with a Honeycrisp or a Granny Smith.
Ooh, extra apple pieces?
Always. All right. I'm just gonna pile all that up there and we'll get this.
Yeah.
And so we're gonna add a little more of our dressing on top, but we kind of like to toss the leaves, get them lightly coated.
Yeah.
All right, there we go. Now we have our little salad platter because we're gonna do this a little family style. So all you're gonna do is throw down, it's building a salad. Salads are fun. It's up to your creativity.
Exactly.
Throw in some of our apples. Sprinkle in over some of our nice little onions.
Yes.
I love purple onions just because of the color.
Yeah, it adds a nice color to it.
And then what? We have some Craisins here.
Yeah.
Little dried cranberries. Oh, these are some of my favorite.
Yeah,
And they
super yummy.
go so good in all kinds of salads, chicken salad, you name it. Add in a little Craisins for a little crazy time. And we got some roasted pecans. Just kind of give these a little smash.
Crunch.
Whew, this is gonna be a good salad. This will impress all your guests. And then to finish it off, you could use a blue cheese if you like, but sometimes that's a little too pungent for people. So if you want that kind of pungentness, I go with a feta cheese, which is a good compromise to those that don't like blue cheese.
It really is. And I'm gonna steal an apple.
All right. I've got that. Let me take just a smidge of that. Sprinkle a little thyme on top just to accent those leaves. We've got the rest of our dressing. And we're just going to
Kind of drizzle it on top.
get some of those apples covered with it. And there you go. You don't want it too overdressed. You can always, someone wants more dressing, you have some waiting.
Exactly. And look at that.
That smells good.
So,
It's a quick, simple, beautiful little salad that
Look
you
at that.
can go with anything.
yeah, you can. I mean, salads are just one of those things that are so easy and customizable.
Yes, and it makes a nice presentation on your table or on your buffet. So your guests will be like, wow, you went to all that trouble?
Yep.
No, it's a salad. It's easy.
Yeah, it's super easy.
So, all right, well, I'm excited to taste this one.
Me too. It is.
Time to get a fork.
Yes.
But first, the salad is very vain. It wants to take a selfie of itself. All right, well, we got our forks, but you can always, I like to put a little fresh cracked pepper on top. We use a little pepper medley, which I really enjoy because it has some red peppercorns, black, white, and green. Just a nice little mix.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you very much.
It's time to fork around.
All right.
A nice little bit of everything on this bite. To force a pecan on there, though.
Tell you what,
That goes very well together.
that little cider vinaigrette complements all of this, and that And you need that little pungentiness. I don't know if that's a word, but it is now. From the feta cheese or the blue cheese to really balance everything out. And you have the sour with the sweetness of the apple, the little sweetness of the craisin.
Yeah. And then that touch of pepper on top. Seals the deal.
Yeah. Don't forget a little finishing pepper goes a long way. And really elevates whatever you put it on. This is a good salad.
Wow.
Well, I said we were going to have some for guests, but apparently not.
I don't think we will. But luckily, this is so dang easy to make.
Make more.
Yeah.
Hey.
That's a solid salad, guys.
Guys, give it a try. It's super simple, and I guarantee you, all your guests will love it. And it just looks beautiful on a plate. And you'll really surprise. You're taking something so simple, and you can elevate it and make it great. Presentation, don't skimp out on it. It really helps the overall meal. Even if it's just your family and friends sitting together. Take the little extra time of just placing this out, and it looks beautiful. It tastes amazing. And I'm telling you what, people will be in awe. And only you'll know how simple it really is.
It's true. And you just gotta be careful though. Because if you make this and a lot of our other recipes for your get-togethers, people are gonna make you cook for them. Just saying.
Yes, but then that's why you can share them. It's like, hey, why don't you all start watching this? And then,
exactly.
and remember, and don't overdress. Be sparingly. See, we
still got some extra sauce.
extra. Because, I mean, this could make huge
Yeah, we
salad.
could make big old salad.
So you don't want it so overdressed. You just want that nice vinaigrette to complement all the other little flavors you put on from the apples, pecans, and the cheese.
Yeah.
And so just remember, don't just dump it all. Taste it a little. Important. Toss your leaves in just a little, couple tablespoons of it.
Yeah.
Lay it out, and then just do a nice small drizzle
Across the top of your entire salad. So
And if some of your guests really want that much more dressing, just serve it to them. Just say, here you go, but not on the whole salad. Well, you can find this recipe and in the description, and you can find more at outdoortestkitchen.org.
yes, you can. And they're just as easy as this one.
Yes, that is our goal. Take elevated food and make it easy so that you can do at the campsite or at home.
Exactly. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit all that stuff. Make sure you get the bell. You know, sometimes you don't get notified when we post videos.
Yeah,
So.
you don't want to miss awesome recipes like this.
Exactly.
All right, till next time, remember, keep camping and keep cooking.
Yeah.
Ho, ho, ho. Whoa, that was weird.
I forgot it's not Halloween.
Yeah, no. They're like, is he really getting his salad tossed?
And remember, keep camping.
Whoa.
One of those Christmas elves. Oh, God.